Don't go on a run and don't go to the gym. If you hate doing those things, you're not gonna stick with it. Getting fit just never actually worked out for me because I thought those were the only two options and I dreaded them. And then I found something that I actually enjoy and I can stick with it. Bodies are so complex. Getting fit is extremely hard and confusing because everyone reacts differently to different foods and different workouts, and it's not one size fits all at all. And in the past 30 days, I've learned so many new things that I just want to let you guys know because I wish I would have known them for the first time in my life. Like, I've actually seen results and it's crazy. I can't believe it. It's so cool. So let's hop into it. Getting that body you want, getting fit and getting healthy is not as simple as going on a run and eating salads. Throughout my life, I've gone through phases where I'm a bit healthier than other times, but I've never really seen results. So I knew this time I had to do something different. So I decided to subscribe to the app Noom to help me with my goals. Today's video is sponsored by Noom. So I've seen articles about Noom and my sister Shelby actually uses it too. And the thing is, Noom is different than your typical fitness app. A typical fitness app will have you track your steps and your fitness and your calorie intake, but that just becomes a chore. It's not fun and you don't stick with it. Noom actually has hands-on goal specialists that help you, and they can see how you're tracking everything and they can help you with your journey and the problems that you're having and keep you motivated. So how Noom works is you create an account and then you answer some questions about yourself and figure out what your overall goal is that you want to achieve. Day one, this is what my body looks like. Personally, I didn't really care about losing weight that much, but I really wanted to tone up my body. I didn't really work out all winter. I might look a little bit softer. If you've been watching my vlog channel, you'll see that I've been quite disciplined with taking bar classes, and I'll get into the fitness side a little bit later. Where Noom really helped me was with the nutrition, because that is where things can go off the rail for me. Noom has a ton of recipes that are so delicious. Like, today I'm gonna be making the pan-seared shrimp with chipotle lime glaze and the fennel, orange, and arugula salad. The salad has 119 calories and the shrimp is 266 calories. Does this not look amazing? I'm like in awe that I was able to actually make this. Here we have the pan-seared shrimp and the arugula fennel salad. It wasn't even hard too. It was like actually so easy. Oh my god, did I really just make this? Like, I made this? Like, this is so good. I also like sticking with the recipes because if you use the ingredients that they said, you log it for the day and you know exactly what you ate, exactly how many calories. It's actually quite accurate and a great way to find new recipes that are so good. If you're trying to reach some sort of fitness goal, it's gonna take an extreme amount of discipline and consistency, and Noom helps me stay on track. So I'll have it linked below if any of you guys are interested in giving it a try. Don't go on a run and don't go to the gym. If you hate doing those things, you're not gonna stick with it. So last night I promised myself I would work out the next morning, and it's next morning. I really don't wanna go work out. I didn't go to the gym. This was the story I told myself for the first 21 years of my life, and then it all changed when I found a workout that I actually like and realized you really don't have to go to a regular gym to get fit. It's okay to not like running. Running is not the only thing to get you in shape, I promise you. Personally, I like bar classes, so that's what I'm gonna talk a little bit about. Basically, a bar class is a series of very small isometric movements that burn out whatever muscle you're targeting. I love it because all you need is a light set of weights and a resistance band. So you're never going to actually hurt yourself. So you can go to a class or you can just do it at home. Anything to make your workout easier is gonna make you more successful in getting fit. You have to find something that you enjoy, and I promise there is something for you out there. Start today and give yourself an end goal. I know this is so cliche, but it really works. About a month ago, I had finally hit rock bottom. I had been going out too much. We all decided to drink wine all day, eating out too much. I ate out for all 3 meals and not working out at all. I just haven't worked out in a while. So I decided to book a bar workout class. I just did it before I could even think twice about it. And after the fact, told myself, you know what? That's day 1 out of 30 days of doing it. I am about to go to my first Pure Barre class, 1 out of 30, day 2. About to head to my 7th, day 9, day 11. I just finished my 15th class. I know it's super cliche to say start today, no tomorrow, all that stuff, but that's genuinely how I got started. I had not been working out at all, and I woke up one morning and it felt so gross, and before I could even talk myself out of it, I signed up for a bar class and just went. And I was like, today's the day I'm going and I'm working out. But then the real game changer for me that I think is so important is after I went, I decided to make an end goal for this. So I told myself, how many workouts can I go to within 30 days? I think it's important to make a challenge like this for yourself because then you stay motivated and you have a reason for wanting to go. You want to see how many times you can go within those 30 days. And I went 20 times in 30 days. That's like the most I've worked out ever. Whereas if I would have just gone that one day and I wouldn't have given myself that challenge, I guarantee you I would have gone 3 times that first week and just fallen back off. Give yourself some sort of goal like this. So start today. You're watching this. Work out today. Don't just start day one right off the bat, going to the grocery store, buying a ton of vegetables, and that's it. It's not gonna work out for you and you are not gonna love your life. Give into those cravings that you have, just within moderation. When 9 p.m. comes around, I crave some sort of chocolate, and I kind of started to create a bad habit for myself where I would think that I needed it. Like every night, I needed that Ben & Jerry's. When I decided I was gonna be making these lifestyle changes, I went to the store and I actually got these like mini ice cream sandwiches. And what it really came down to is I had this craving, like I did want some chocolate, but I didn't need that much at all. So I actually have gotten myself to switch to having one of these little ice cream sandwiches and being satisfied and being totally fine with it. Maybe I'll have 2, but that's it. I promise you I'm not eating like the whole box. Buy like a little mini fun size version of it. Like just, you gotta limit yourself. You've gotta bring it down. Sneak vegetables in wherever you can. Vegetables are obviously very important to your diet, but they suck to eat. They're gross, they're boring. I don't like them cooked, I don't like them raw, I don't like them any sort of way. But I do still eat them and I make sure I get them with my meals, but I like to try and sneak them in when I can. So my favorite midday snack is a smoothie. They're healthy, super easy to make, and they're a great way to sneak some vegetables in. So here's what I like to put in my smoothie. Plain yogurt, then some fruit. All I have are frozen blueberries, so that's what's happening today. A little bit of protein powder. Why not? And some kale. Kale sucks to eat. This leaf is so weird and rough and chewy, and it's the worst, but when you put it in a smoothie, you can't even detect it. Just gonna load up on that. And lastly, a little bit of almond milk. Vegetables are just so boring to eat. If I don't hide them, I don't get enough of them. And of course, vegetables have fiber, and fiber keeps you full for longer. And so when you sneak some vegetables in, it just makes your meals or snacks more satisfying. So the thing with working out is it's just hard to get yourself to go. You'll think of any excuse as to why you can't go. And my biggest excuse would be I'd be out and about, but I don't have any of my stuff with me, so I can't work out today. So I created a gym bag for myself that I always keep in the trunk of my car, and it has anything that I could need to work out. I'll keep a water bottle, a couple protein bars. That one's very important if you're like, oh, but I'm hungry, I can't go work out. Nope, you got a protein bar, you're fine. Fitness clothes, even like extra underwear, deodorant, hair ties, sticky socks for a bar class. And now I don't have that excuse anymore. Look in the mirror and love your body even on day one. You can't go into this thinking that negative, because when you do that, you're just gonna be discouraged, you're gonna hate yourself, and you're probably gonna give up. You have to look at your body, look at, a roll of fat, but love it. You know what? Like, I look at my body, it's not perfect, but I still love it. I love what it can do. You have to have that body positivity going into this, because the second you get negative about it, you're gonna get discouraged and you're gonna give up. So look at yourself in the mirror, look at your body, and learn to love it, because it's all you have. You can't take some magic pill and turn into a model, okay? Nope. You're yourself, so you might as well love it. That is everything that I've learned in this first 30 days of actually getting fit and truly seeing some results. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it inspired you in some way. Thank you to Noom for being today's sponsor. Like I said, it's linked below if you want to give it a try. If you want to see more fitness related videos from me, on my vlog channel, I've been talking about my journey a little bit more in depth there, so I'll have that link below as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.